How to split videos in Canva. So hello guys, also want to split your particular video into two different sections on Canva. Here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up your canva.com, log into your account. Now what you need to do is just head over to your video section, or you can also tap on this create button over here to actually create a video, and just head over to video section and you can just choose any one of these option over here. So let me just quickly select any one of these options and this will take you to this page where you get a blank option, that is your create video mode. And now you can just import any of the videos from your upload section, or you can also upload it from the element section by simply searching for the particular videos or different niche of videos. So let me just quickly select my uploaded video over here, and once I successfully upload my video, I can simply tap on that its border and just align it with my current desktop. So let me just quickly select another video because it's not aligned with the resolution of my current outline or border. So I can just do this. So now let's say I want to split the videos into two different sections. Now all I have to do is just select the particular part where I want to split the video and just select the video section just like this. So as you can see, when I click on the video section and the part where I want to split into, I'll simply get this option that is split page from the top, and just like that you have successfully split the particular video into two different sections. You can also do it, you can also repeat the process similarly for as many times as you want, and you can simply add a transition in between just like this. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.